Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about the animals with big eyes. Name. Number 1. Tarsier. Number 2. Pygmy slow loris. Number 3. Colossal squid. Number 4. Tree frog. Number 5. Dragonfly. Number 6. Bush baby. Number 7. Lemur. Number 8. Chameleon. Number 9. Gecko. Number 10. Mantis shrimp. Number 11. Golden crowned flying fox. Number 12. Barn owl. Number 13. Kinkajou. Number 14. Tawny frogmouth. Number 15. Snowy owl. Number 16. Great horned owl. Number 17. Spectacled owl. Number 18. Fennec fox. Number 19. Moon jellyfish. Number 20. Spotted eagle ray. Number 21. Pacific giant octopus. Number 22. Ostrich. Number 23. Hammerhead shark. Number 24. Cuttlefish. Number 25. Squid. Number 26. Swordfish. Number 27. Praying mantis. Number 28. Butterfly. Number 29. Glowing sucker octopus. Number 30. Humpback anglerfish. Number 31. Star-nosed mole. Number 32. Pallas's cat. Number 33. California sea lion. Number 34. Great white shark. Number 35. Celestial goldfish. Number 36. Eye. Number 37. Newt. Number 38. Salamander. Number 39. Lanternfish. Number 40. Big scale soldier fish. Number 41. Horse. Number 42. Pufferfish. Number 43. Big eye tuna. Number 44. Barrel-eye fish. Number 45. Thresher shark. Number 46. Squirrel fish. Number 47. Eagle. Number 48. Hawk. Number 49. Turtle. Number 50. Kangaroo. Number 51. Pug. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.